Okay, so you've probably seen Chloe's giant cookies blowing up on TikTok. Giant, gooey, and everyone on your feed raving. But are they legit? Or is there some kind of scam going on? Let's clear the air. As of 2026, Chloe's Giant Cookies is a real bakery business run by Chloe Sexton in Memphis, Tennessee. She started in her kitchen and now ships nationwide. Pretty awesome, right? But here's where things get messy. Chloe's in the middle of a huge legal battle. There's a Florida-based company, also called Chloe's Cookies LLC, suing her, claiming she's using their trademark. The twist? The Florida company doesn't even have a Chloe. This lawsuit exploded online, and honestly, most people are rallying behind Chloe. They even raised over 30 grand to help with her legal fees. Now, the real confusion starts when you Google Chloe's Cookies. Suddenly, you're seeing reviews for all sorts of sketchy sites, like Chloe and Sienna or Chloe Culture. These have nothing to do with Chloe Sexton or her actual cookies. People get scammed on those sites with fake tracking numbers and shoddy products. So, don't let the bad reviews for those fake sites trick you into thinking Chloe's Giant Cookies is a scam. What about the cookies themselves? According to TikTok and Instagram foodies, they're seriously good. Think 9 out of 10 or even 10 out of 10. Chloe closed her physical store to focus on family and online orders, so if you want the real deal, stick to the official site and her socials. Bottom line, Chloe's Giant Cookies are legit, but the online drama and copycats make it complicated. Double-check the website and you'll get those giant melt-in-your-mouth cookies everyone's obsessed with. So, is Chloe scamming you? Nope. Just make sure you're buying from the real Chloe.